Hello, welcome. This is Pepper's Creations. In today's video, we are going to learn how to do ribbon using tubing mesh or straw. So these are the tubing mesh or straw. You see, it looks like straw. It comes in different colors. I'll glue gun, scissors, pen, stick, our bottom, ribbon base or brooch base. This one is 3-in-1. It has the clip and the pin. Let's get started. First of all, we are going to cut a round paper, something like this. So this is a round of this. We are using it as a base. So you measure your tubing mesh or straw. Depending if you want it big or small, then you would gauge and cut. So you fold it to see if you are okay with the size. If you are not okay, then you reduce it till you get your appropriate size. So I want to work with this size. So I'm making a point in the circle to guide me as to how I'm going to arrange my straw on the base. So my glue gun is ready for use. Then you fold your straw. You fold it on top, one on top of the other, like this. And you put it. Since the glue is hot and sticky, I'm using a pen. This is the first one. You repeat this process. Press it down for the glue to dry out. So this is it. After working with the fork, yeah, fixing the green on top. See, there is a space, so we are filling that space. So this is what we have. So we are going to apply our button. So you see the stiff formed the base. I want to attach our brooch base. The brooch base, it comes in sizes. We have the bigger size and the smaller size. So since my paper base is big, I'm using the bigger one. You have to fill the base and then you would put on and you would have to wait till it dries out and your ribbon is ready. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more beautiful videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.